It's time for summer! Oh, Lorky, I've told you to dress summery, but you've gone a bit overboard, have you?
Not at all. You promised me a day out in the boat. In the summer.
Well, what summer were you expecting?
So come on, let's show you this boat.
How would you like your summer to be wet and wild with this Bayliner 1850 Capri 190 horsepower of maritime excellence? So we have 4 bow facing seats and 2 stern facing seats, so you can carry all your passengers. Hydraulic steering, a Thunderbolt Ignition engine, 4.3 litres, and an 87 litre fuel tank for all your boating brilliance. Inside the boat, we have a beautiful cream leather interior, underfloor storage for your wakeboards and your water skis, bow cover, camper cover. I think it's safe to say this is a beautiful boat.
And if you were wondering how you were going to transport this weekend weapon, we have paired it with this immaculate 3.2 litre Mitsubishi Shogun and a USA launching trailer. Tickets are available now on the Lucky Day website for only $12.97. Now, it's time to get this boat soaked. You ready, Lorky?